All right, guys, what's the name of this town? Sabong?
Sabang. Is
Sabang.
it Sabang? No, it is Bayan, Poblacion. Poblacion.
Oh, that's a mouthful for me. So I hope you heard that.
You say Poblacion.
YouTube people, yo what?
Poblacion.
Port
Pob.
Po La
Shon.
Sean. Port La Sean. Alright, I guess that's close enough. Then,
It's a town of Puerto Galera.
Porte Galera, and
It's a town.
it's a town close to
Puerto Galera.
in Philippines. So we're doing a tour today. And my kuya, the driver, his name again? Peter. That's a good old English name. That's not very Filipino. And we're accompanied by Jen's good friend, what's Pamela, and her son Antonis. All right, so let's see how we do this. Can we go back and? No, I need to use my other camera. All right, I'll do that later. No, I'm just trying to figure out how I switch. It must be there. No?
There's a picture. You cannot switch it.
But my other camera, I can.
No, you cannot.
I can.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I can. I guess that's an improvement between the S9 Plus and the S10 Plus. So, right ahead, you see, there's lots of coconut trees, and the vegetation is very intense on this island. A lot of natural stuff here. Lots of coconut trees, lots of fruit trees. Jen, did we bring my selfie stick? No. Oh, come on. You're my assistant in this YouTube venture, you know, so you gotta be helpful. She's just going down the hill. The road here looks pretty good for cycling. There's a tricycle. Lots of small vehicles here, and that is because of the size of the road. Like you can see the narrow roads, and the road codes here are something that's going to take me a while to understand, but I guess I don't see too many accidents, but I just don't understand the style of driving, so that I will comment on later when I get a handle on the driving here in the Philippines.
Do you want to drive now?
And that reminds me, I'm driving without my seatbelt. So guess what, guys? I gotta cut this video short because I've got to put on my seatbelt. Safety first, safety always. All right, get back to you later.